Well, welcome back. This is part two of digital marketing for small business owners. And it doesn't matter if you just started out or you've been in the business for a while, but you may have not had many leads to come into your inbox. The tips and the tools that I'm gonna give you in these next 3 or 4 videos are gonna help you. But number one, right now, we're gonna talk about your budget. You must have an advertising budget. And I know what you're thinking. Hey man, advertisers ain't got the money, but listen, for as little as $150 a month to all up to $500 a month will be enough for you to advertise your online or offline business to be able to generate the traffic to your site to bring the monies in that you're looking for so that you can leave your job behind because a lot of entrepreneurs do have jobs that they hate, but they have a part-time business, and the only way to get it off the ground is to have an advertising budget. It can be small, it can be large, because what that's going to turn help you to do is get out in front of more people and be able to talk to more people. And if you have a website that happens to have a phone number on it, and if you're someone that has a VA, then when people call you, they can set appointments, and you meet up with them, and it's your opportunity to sell or tell more people about your business. And in order to do that, you must at least talk to 5 to 10 people a day, tell them who you are, what it is that your business does, and that's offline. And then have or market to them online, letting people see you show up in on YouTube and Facebook. So we're gonna get into those two in just a minute. But right now we're gonna specifically focus on advertising budgets. Lately I've seen Reddit for $5 a day. You could advertise your business there. Uh, Let me see. You can do Facebook ads really cheaply. You just have to set a budget, go with it, and just let it be. But that's only on your business page. And we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna talk about that more in the next video. But you have to have an advertised budget to be able to reach people in different places and meet people where they are, so people know who you are. It doesn't matter if you're a coach, you're a consultant, you own a landscaping company, or you might just be someone that is considering starting a business. These tips that I'm giving you right here is great to help you kick your business off, because a lot of people want to start a business, but they do not know what type of business they want to start. But I'm here to tell you, set up you an advertiser budget, no matter how much, but it's got to be at least $100. At least $100 a month can get you in the door, can get your business known, and help people to know who you are, what it is you do, and how you can help them. Because remember, people are more worried about how you can help them than what you can do for them. And if you have an advertising budget, and or you can use an advertising agency to help you figure this stuff out, or you can come here and get tips, or you can just come to me. You can email me, and I can help you with that. I will answer all emails, and I reply to all comments. But the second part of this video was about budgeting. Now we're going to jump right into the channels that you need to be on in order to grow, get seen, and be heard by more people.